Hey guys, welcome back. This is a quick tutorial on how to make yourself a reciprocating quad blaster as seen in the 2003 Clone Wars miniseries. So for the folks who've been watching my channel, this video might seem kind of out of the blue, but I think it's fair to say that there's a decent overlap of fans in both the Castle and Star Wars LEGO themes. So as a way to freshen up my catalog of custom accessories and designs, but also out of necessity since I'm working on a Clone Wars display right now, I've challenged myself to design the SIP quad out of LEGO pieces. Now if you want to get straight to the tutorial, feel free to skip forward a bit. I'm about to get into some of the design process. So the biggest challenge is obviously matching the scale of the blaster, which according to some references is give or take the height of a standard trooper. So with that scale in mind, my next goal was to find the pieces that were available in bluish light gray, as well as those that will allow for multiple hinge points. So while not perfect, this is the end design that ticks off all the boxes, and hopefully the quick stop motion video in the intro demonstrates the fluidity of its connection points that allows you to animate that scene where the trooper swings the blaster from his back. So here are all the necessary pieces, all in light bluish gray to match the look as seen on the screen. I've sorted the pieces by components, and you could build each part separately and assemble them in the last step too, if that's easier. Now, you might notice that the gray bar pieces are cut down to half its original length, which some of you might consider cheating. Unfortunately though, to achieve as close to proper scale as possible, the barrel length needs to be about that long. But for the purists out there, a 3L bar will be about this long, and you can use a 2L bar like this if you're willing to dismiss the weird stopper piece in the middle, which will make the barrels look too thick. And of course, I had to test out this experimental piece that basically flips the binoculars around and fuses it with an appropriate bar length. I think aesthetically, this might be the closest I can get to the reference material with minimum use of custom parts. If you want more accuracy though, then you're better off buying a custom blaster that isn't brick built. And if you're interested in doing something similar, I always recommend using Studio to quickly whip up mocks and test out a bunch of different pieces you might not have in hand. So as you can see, I do have quite a bit of custom Star Wars stuff that I've been working on behind the scenes, mostly from the 2003 Clone Wars show, as well as some stuff from the original Battlefront 2 game that I used to play. I'm planning to do a video on that soon. And for those who have been waiting for the Skeleton Faction video, thanks for your patience, and I'm still working on some designs. In fact, I'd appreciate if you have any ideas to send them my way, and I can credit you for any design ideas I might reference in the video. Anyways, that's it guys, thanks for watching.